Hello, right, okay, so we're back. Let's go on to, so we've tested the game, and now we need to ensure our bullet actors are destroyed when they collide with the enemy ships, and when they leave the screen. Otherwise, carry on forever. So let's go. Part 11. Part 11, destroying bullets. Open up your bullet actor type and go to the dashboard. Bullet actor type.
And you should destroy bullets. You should destroy ships and.
Otherwise, they'll last forever. So we're going to go to our bullet. We've got that. So we go to our events in our bullet. And what's it say? Add an actor type collision event. Okay. So click the add event button on the left and then select the event as shown. Event. Alright, collision. Okay, cool. So what do we want? Actor type. Which is this one? Right, so set the actor type to enemy ship and then drag over a kill self block from the palette under actor properties. Goodness me. So when the self of the bullet, which is the bullet itself, hits actor type enemy ship, okay. That's actor type, okay. And then kill self, which is in where? Good. It's being messaged to everybody. Actor type, which is in actor properties, maybe. Kill self, right? Got you. Think. Drag that in. Okay, so basically what this does is when the bullet is traveling up and hits an enemy ship, it will destroy itself. Okay. Now, each bullet actor will be destroyed when it collides with an enemy ship. Next, to ensure our bullets are destroyed when they leave the screen, we need to add an actor event when a specific actor enters or leaves the screen as shown. Okay. So we need to add actor. And here we go. So actor enters or leaves the scene or screen, and we're going to say specific actor. So when the self exits the screen, kill self. I should imagine. That's right, isn't it? Screen. So when the self exits the screen, kill itself. Save your game, and we'll test it. So here we go. So left and right on the arrow keys. Hey, look at that. So they're now not sticking. Right, now let's get on with this. So save your game. We've tested it. Looks good. Go on to part 12. Part 12. Destroying the enemy ships. Open up the enemy ship actor type. Click the dashboard. And then actor types. And then double click the enemy ship. Dashboard. Actor types enemy ship. Got ya. And we're going to add an event. I'm going to click its events tab and add a collision event for the actor of a group as shown. Right, okay, so we'll do this. So add a collision, and it's going to be a member of a group. So when it collides with a group, then we're in trouble. Well, then it's got to lose health or something like that. So.
Like what?
Well, we're going to give it some health, and I think the way we're going to do that is, so here it says here, here's the basic logic we want to create. If an actor that's a member of the bullets group collides with the enemy ship, self in this case, subtract a health point. If the enemy ship has no health points left, i.e. less than or equal to 0, you kill the enemy ship. So we need to create a new attribute and select a number for its type and name it health points. So we go to attributes, create one. I'm going to call it health points. Okay, health points, and it's going to be a number. And we're going to press OK. And then what? To start, create a new attribute. Yeah, we've done that. And then create an attribute button. Done that. Alright. Create attribute. Oh, there it is. Now create event. Okay, basics. When created, right? Set health points to whatever it is. So is that in setters? Yes. Set health points to 3. And then what does it say? Okay. Next, set the collision group to bullets in the collision event, and then drag over an increment block. Oh, okay. So we need to go back to this bit, and it's going to be an increment block, is in numbers and text in my maths. So numbers and text, increments. Right, okay, so we drag that in. Whoops. Come here. Drag you in. Increment health points by 1. 1. And does it know just to make them less? Change increment to decrement. Right. Funny language. By 1. Lastly, we need to add an event that checks the number of health points the enemy ship has left and destroys it if it has none. Click the Add an Event button, mouse over Basics again, and select when updating. Next, drag it to an if block inside the always block in flow. Okay. So we add an event, which is the basics, which is when updating. We go to flow and we say if and this means is less or equal to. Okay, that one, less or equal to. So, and we say we're going to go to attributes and we say if health points is less or equal to 0, go to actor and properties, kill self. It's a bit harsh, but there you go. We also want to use our explosion sound effect that we uploaded earlier. If we snap a to do after so many seconds block under our if block and we add a play sound, the block, and select our explosion sound effect from the drop down menu, that will play the sound right before the actor is removed from the scene. Gotcha. I see. We also set the number of seconds to wait. Okay, so we to do after. So in flow, is it in flow time? All right, okay. So we'll pop this on, chuck that in there. So do after 1.4 seconds. Sound play. Come here. Play. Choose a sound. We want explosion. Okay. And then that's it, done. Now we need to add an effect to our enemy ship actor type so the player can tell when it's hit. We're going to use blocks under actor effects in the palette along with a timer block. Okay, we're going to do, we're looking at this one. When our enemy ship is hit by a bullet, the effect will be applied. The problem is it will stay that way. We can use the timer block to switch it back. Okay. So when, so we've got to find when now. I'm not sure where that is. Oh, maybe it's in that. Okay, here it is. So it's this one. So it's back to the actor group. When self hits that of the actor group. Okay, so apply effect. So we go to actors. Draw, tweet effects. There it is. Okay, so apply effect. So chuck that in there. And we'll do make negative. And then we go to time. Do after 0.1 second. Remove all effects from self. So we go back to actor and effects. Remove all effects from self. Okay, with all this in place, test the game. If everything works, it's time to create a way for our players to win the game. So let's save it and test the game. And we got an error. It's because I created an updated. Okay. It's in here. It's lighting it up. Choose a group. And it's bullets. Okay. Save. Test game. Okay, so we're going left and right. Firing. Oh, nice!